Do you want to create an awesome matrix-style clone effect with just few taps? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add matrix clone effect in CapCut Mobile using the built-in video effects feature. Let's get started! First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it to the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories and you can use the search bar to search for matrix clone. Tap the effect to preview it on your clip. The effect automatically creates multiple copies of the detected subject. You can also make some adjustments by just clicking the adjust button and slide the slider all the way you want. If you're satisfied with the preview, tap the checkmark to apply it. Drag either end of the layer to increase or decrease its duration. Play your video before exporting to make sure that the clone effect appears smoothly and aligns with your scene. And that's how you create a matrix clone effect in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep innovating, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.